Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get tree sap in Icarus. Now to get tree sap first, you are going to need the mortar and pestle right here. If you check over to your tech tree by pressing down tab over here and then go over to the tier 2 level, if you scroll a little bit to the right, and then you can find the mortar and pestle right here. Now once you've learned that, over in the crafting bench, you can make the mortar and pestle through the use of 4 pieces of silica ore and 12 pieces of stone. Now I've already crafted it and placed it down right here. Let me just interact with it, and you can see that I can make tree sap right now through the use of 4 pieces of stick. Let me make some right now. Let's say maybe 5, and then start crafting it. And as you can see, from the device's inventory, I've now made the tree sap right here. And that's about it on how to get tree sap in Icarus.